On this Mori Seiki SL65 with a FANUC CNC 16T, when we power or cycle the machine, we got the alarm EX1061 motor interruption is abnormal. We're going to track that alarm, the coil and the signal that is making the alarm, and check if we can solve the issue. So let's go to system. If you're not in this page, go through PMC, which is this is the main page. Let's go to the ladder. Diagnosis, status, and look for address A0, search. And now any of this coil that might be on is the alarm coil. So let's check. We do have A16.5, that is the signal we are looking for. So go back, check PMC ladder. The password for this machine is L, so if you are required for the password, just try with L later and input. So let's search for A16, search A16.5, Windows search. This is alarm, and the contact that is making the alarm is R300.5, R340.5, Windows search. And now we have that this condition, this is the retention, as you see, and this is becoming on when the power cycle is in process. And if you had the input X1009.6 in 1, it's gonna trigger the alarm. There is no way to reset this alarm without power cycling the machine. So that input, well, what I made is to check the ladder PDF file that we bought from Mori Seiki, and that signal is the spindle voltage input, and the R340.5 is motor power on error. So we have an issue with the voltage on the spindle module. So we are gonna press stop. Let's go back here. We're gonna press emergency stop. Okay. We're gonna turn off the machine, the CNC. I'm gonna power cycle the machine completely. I counted 10 seconds and then turn it on. So now we are going to turn on the CNC. I still have pressed the emergency stop. Okay, you see, we do have emergency. So I'm going to release the emergency stop and press reset and power on. So now I have to open the door. Okay, so let's try now the spindle in jog. I'm gonna select it jog, and I'm gonna start the RPM. And you see, let's see the spindle running. Let's go to system, spindle parameters, spindle monitor, and there you go. We have 21 RPM on the spindle and 110 RPM on the motor. Let's increase. If you need to know the ratio of this gear, is the gear number 2. What you need to do is to divide the spindle motor speed by 85 spindle speed. So this is gonna give you 5.16, and then you have to multiply that by 100, and it's gonna give you the spindle ratio that you need to set right here on this parameter. Okay? Thank you.